Is it actually cheaper to reface my kitchen cabinets, or should I just replace them? If you are planning a kitchen remodel, you are likely weighing this exact decision. Today we will answer whether refacing or full replacement is the right choice for your budget. How much cheaper is it to reface kitchen cabinets compared to replacing them? It is significantly cheaper to reface kitchen cabinets. Refacing generally costs 30 to 50% less than completely tearing out and replacing your existing cabinetry. What exactly does kitchen cabinet refacing include? Kitchen cabinet refacing includes leaving your original cabinet boxes secured to the wall, but completely replacing all the doors, drawer fronts, and hardware, then applying a matching fresh veneer to the exterior boxes. When is cabinet refacing the best option for my kitchen? Cabinet refacing is the best option when your existing cabinet boxes are structurally sound, free of water damage, and you are already completely satisfied with your kitchen's current layout. When should I completely replace my kitchen cabinets? You should completely replace your kitchen cabinets if the internal boxes are warped, rotting, lack modern storage features, or if you want to completely change the physical footprint and layout of your kitchen. How long does it take to reface cabinets versus replacing them? Refacing kitchen cabinets usually takes only 3 to 5 days with minimal disruption. In contrast, fully replacing cabinets can take several weeks and often requires you to stop using your kitchen entirely. Can I keep my current countertops if I replace my kitchen cabinets? It is extremely difficult to keep your current countertops if you replace your base cabinets. Removing the boxes often cracks stone countertops, whereas refacing leaves your countertops completely untouched and safe. Does refacing kitchen cabinets add value to a home? Yes, refacing kitchen cabinets adds significant value to a home. It provides the exact same visual impact and modern aesthetic as brand new cabinets to potential buyers, offering a fantastic return on investment. Are there hidden costs when replacing kitchen cabinets? Yes, there are often hidden costs when replacing kitchen cabinets. Tearing out old boxes frequently requires unexpected drywall repairs, minor plumbing adjustments, electrical rewiring, and flooring repairs where the new cabinets sit. How do I decide whether to reface or replace my kitchen cabinets? You decide by evaluating your goals. If you want a brand new look while saving money and keeping your layout, reface them. If you need better functionality and a brand new layout, replace them. Do not let an outdated kitchen keep you from loving your home. For expert kitchen remodeling, custom cabinet solutions, and premium deck building, contact the professionals at Vista Contractors. Call us today at 479-391-2994.